What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to show y'all my new cup. So this is by the brand Meoky. I absolutely love this cup. So the only people outside. So the only if y'all don't remember, I have a Stanley. It's a top handle just like this one, but the only thing was I got an ice mold, and it's like 3 parts, so it's like first, second, third. The top was too big, like the ice mold for the top was too big for my Stanley, because I have a 30-ounce Stanley instead of a 40-ounce. So I was like, damn, I gotta get a new cup now because I want to use that ice mold. So I went on TikTok, found this Meoky, and I actually like it better. The only reason I got a Stanley in the first place was because it was a top handle. I don't like the side handles. I hate those cups. I really don't like those. And my top handle was practical for when I went outside and it didn't leak. So I love the top handle Stanley. However, there isn't a 40-ounce version of that particular cup, so I got a new one. This is the Meoky. It's really nice. I love it because it's a 40-ounce, which equals more water for me, especially during the summertime because it's really hot outside. It's pink and then it fades into hot pink. So it's light pink and then it fades into hot pink. It almost looks red, but it's not. And then you have the option of this handle, and you also have the option of a square handle. The square, obviously I have this handle on my cup right now, but you can get the square handle does come with the cup as well. So you have 2 handles that come with the cup. You have this side is if you want to just sip, like if you just want to like sip it, and it closes. And then this side is the straw. Obviously I use the straw side more because it's just convenient. And it is, there's water in here. There's water in here, so you can flip it. No spillage. No spillage. It does fit in your cup holder as well. So this part is designed for it to fit in your cup holder, any car, any cup holder. What else is a good thing about this cup? Like I said, it comes with a good top handle. I love the top handle because if I'm carrying something, I can just put it in my arm like that and carry boxes or whatever I need to carry. It's very convenient for any athlete, or if you're a mom and you gotta carry like your diaper bag, your work bag, your purse. If you gotta carry extra bags, you can just carry this and you don't have to worry about carrying that Stanley with the side cup or the side cup little water bottles. So yeah, I really like this one. This one is also good for hiking as well, if you go on hikes or if you do a lot of outdoor activities. The other cup is like kind of like work, sit on your desk type of cup. This one is actually for if you want to take it outside of the house, you know what I'm saying? Because it's leak proof. You can literally just throw this in your car. It actually acts as a good weapon as well if you are a woman and you're by yourself. I feel like this would do damage to somebody's head if a dude is trying to mess with you. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this could be used as a weapon. I'm just saying, especially if it has ice in it. Yeah. So my ice molds, they have It's like a circle ice mold, and it's designed so where you can just put your straw straight through, and they fit in here as well. You can go on Amazon and get the ice molds if you're interested in that. The ice definitely does stay cold all day as well. So yeah. Now the price, I paid $9 for my Meoky because I got mine during a sale. So I paid actually I paid $9.47. So for this cup, $9.47. The shipping took about a week, which is pretty good in my opinion. For anything to come to me, it really depends on where you live. So obviously if you live like, let's say if you live in California and the shipper is distributing your packages out of California, you're gonna get it faster, right? But whereas, you know, if you're in a different city or if you're in a different state, it may take longer depending. But yeah, I got my cup within a week. So really happy, really excited for my purchase. I love my cup so much. I think I'm gonna stick with this handle. I don't think I'm gonna use the square plastic one. I don't know, I just like this one better. It's like squishy, and you can just like, not squishy, but you know, it's flexible. You can move it, and it just works. This handle just works for me. I really like it. Stay hydrated, y'all. Okay, stay hydrated. Get your exercise. It is so hot outside, so I want everyone to make sure that they're being nice and hydrated, getting their proper exercise. And yeah, hydration is definitely key, especially if you want clear skin, if you want hair growth. Water. Your body needs water, okay? The more water I'm not gonna say that. I was gonna say the more water you drink, the better you'll feel, but that's actually not true, and you can actually get water poisoning. So try not to drink too much water, but it's so hot outside, you really have to drink water. Literally. So yeah, guys, I guess that's it for this video. Like I said, I got my Meoky from TikTok. I'm sure they're on Amazon, but try to look at some of the sales from TikTok. I know everybody has TikTok shop, so try to look at the sales and stuff, because you can possibly pay $9 or $6 depending. They also have different sizes of this cup as well. They have a 30-ounce version of this same exact cup, and they also have other Meokys with different patterns and stuff. And if you like the side handle, I cannot stand the side handle, but if you like the side handle, they have different designs, colors, patterns. So yeah, if you want that, you can definitely get the side handle as well. But like I said, the top handle is just better for me, especially for like, it's just more practical in my opinion, especially for everyday usage and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know, I really love this cup, y'all. I really like this cup, and I like to come on here and show y'all different things that I buy. So if you want it, you can definitely get it as well. So yeah, definitely just a practical cup. I don't need like 16 different cups in my house. My Stanley was actually fine. Like I said, it just didn't fit my ice mold. And it wasn't a 40-ounce, it was a 30-ounce. That kind of irritated me too. But yeah, I'm still gonna use my Stanley. I'm gonna use both of these. Actually, I'm gonna use my Stanley, and I'm gonna use this one as well. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. We're almost at 40K. That's crazy. Yeah, follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. I get on there and we just have a ball on TikTok, honestly. Like, we really do. We be having a ball on TikTok. Good, nothing but good vibes, support, and yeah. So I will see y'all in my next video. Until next time.